Hello and welcome to my channel.
I want to show you how to make these cute tiny roses. They are super simple to make and they will take less than 5 minutes. Here I put them on a hair clip, and you get yourself a really cute hair accessory. I am using finger weight yarn. This is Hobbii Cotton 8/4, but honestly you can use whatever yarn. It just depends the size of your yarn, how big the rose is coming. And I'm using 2.5mm hook. I also have, you need two colors, one for the flower and one for the leaves. And you also need scissors and a darning needle. So yeah, let's get started. Take the flower color and make a slip knot. Cross, go under and grab the yarn. And chain 9. There's chain 9. Now skip the first stitch and into the next one make a single crochet. Next stitch here, make a single crochet. Next 2 stitches here, make single crochet increase into each stitch. 1, 2, this is our first increase, and there's the second one. 1, 2, second increase, and into the next 2 stitches here, make 3 single crochets into each stitch. 1, 2, 3 single crochets into one stitch. Next one, make 3 single crochets into one stitch. 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 stitches left. And here make 4 single crochets into each stitch. 1, 2, 4, and we have 1 stitch left, and again make 4 single crochet stitches into the stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now leave a little longer tail and you can cut it and pull it through. This is our flower. So now take your darning needle, and we have a little spiral here, so shape it like a flower, like that. Oops. And now with the tail here, just going to like a random stitch here and pull it through. And now I'm going into the middle here again, just like random stitch here, pull it through. And now I'm going back into the stitch here, like somewhere. It doesn't matter where you're going. I'm going back down here, in here, and into the middle of the flower. Just pull it through, and this is our flower part, like that. Let's make the stem or little leaves now. Take your green yarn, again make a slip knot, and chain 4. You can also use magic circle to do that. I like the chain method. Slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 3. Into the second stitch, make a single crochet, and next one, make half double crochet and slip stitch into the circle here. And this is one of our leaves, and I'm going to make 3 more. Again, chain 3. Next one, make a single crochet. Next stitch, make a half double crochet and slip stitch into the middle, and do that 2 more times, and slip stitch into the middle. You can cut your yarn and pull your yarn through. And these are our leaves. Now take your flower, put this through 2 ends through the darning needle, and go put this through the middle of the leaves, pull it through. You can play around with the leaves, but what I like to do, I'm just tying a knot down here with those 2 yarn ends, and now you can just cut it, or you can use it to like tie somewhere. You can also just take the hair clip and glue it on here. I think it would look really cute. But yeah, this is our flower. It came out, it is super cute, and it's really fast thing to make, and you can use it wherever. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. See you in the next video. Bye.